After setting up your tent, locate the hook fasteners on the back of the tent's valance. With your hanging tent banner, position it so the loop fastener is located on top of the banner. Connect the loop fastener on the top of the banner to the hook fasteners on the tent valance by pushing the two strips together. Leave about a 3-inch gap between the tent legs and both ends of the banner. Since the banner's loop fasteners are located on both the front and the back of the banner, it makes it easy to flip the banner around when needed. For additional stability, you may also purchase our bungee cords. These will help prevent the banner from flopping around when there is wind. Just attach each bungee cord by inserting the loop end through the banner's grommets. Now stretch the cord around the leg and hook the one end to the loop end as shown. Repeat this step for the other side of the banner. Your hanging tent banner is now set up to attract extra attention to your tent.